Good morning, everyone. With a great pride and enthusiasm, we are the student of GD Goenka Public School. I, Siksha.
I, Deepansh. I, Pratishtha.
I, Pranav. I, Vanshika. are here to present our idea named Suvidha under the grand initiative of Viksit Bharat Vildathon.
This Vildathon is not just a competition. It's an inspirational trek inspired by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Dream of a Viksit Bharat, a developed India by 2047. He continues emphasis on cleanliness and innovation towards the great idea and innovation.
We would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, whose efforts encourage innovation and entrepreneurship among the students that made this Vildathon possible. Thank you so much to you also.
So now we would like to talk about our project Suvidha, which is a same vision towards the Viksit Bharat Vildathon. It stands for
S smart,
U urban, W washroom,
I integrated,
D dormitory,
H hub for all. A concept designed to provide safe, clean and digital and accessible hygiene and resting facility for all.
Through Suvidha, we aim to combine technology, cleanliness, comfort, ensuring that no citizens struggle for urban necessities.
So with great honor and inspiration from Modi ji's mission and Dharmendra Pradhan ji's guidance, we proudly present Suvidha
towards a clean, safe and inclusive India.
So today we are here to talk about the problems we face in our daily life. So let me ask you one question. How many times you struggle to find a clean and safe washroom in new cities?
Honestly, it's very tough to locate a proper washroom. If we find one, we are not sure about its cleanliness and safety.
So you just imagine if we decide to live in low-cost hotels and dharamshala, क्या ये सही options है?
Not really. There is always a lack of trust and sometimes there are poor hygiene and low maintenance cost. And we feel unsafe to use them.
So if I need the resting room और resting pots and changing room, वो easily available नहीं होते हैं और कभी कभार safe भी नहीं होते हैं. So these are the problems people facing in their daily lives and make us to inspired to make Suvidha.
So after understanding the problem, let's move to the solution we have designed through Suvidha. Suvidha brings technology and comfort together, making safe, accessible, easy for everyone.
Our first feature is online screening and booking system. Users can easily access, locate and book nearby washrooms and pods within seconds.
Along with that, we introduce cleanliness, which track clean the washroom uses that ensuring safety and trust, and people can be confident about their hygiene standard.
Also, our main cleaning system, our smart washroom using automatic cleaning and boards and posts that ensure 24/7 hygiene without human.
Living pods and changing rooms. Spacious private pods of 23 to 25 square feet provide comfort for changing and resting.
Sanitary dispenser for women. Women have easy access to sanitary products and also adjustable urinals in menu section, which promoting dignity and health.
And finally, to ensure everyone feels safe, Suvidha provides the CCTV surveillance and emergency button.
This was our idea named Suvidha that represent a small step towards the vision of Viksit Bharat, a developed, safe and inclusive India. और इस आइडिया को प्रेजेंट करने का हमारा एम है एक स्मार्ट सैनिटाइजेशन, हाइजीनिक, सेफ वॉशरूम प्रोवाइड करना दैट प्रमोट डिग्निटी एंड सेफ्टी इन अर्बन एरियाज. So I would like to thank you too for this opportunity. Like being a part of the Viksit Bharat Vildathon, encourage students to think beyond the textbook and to innovate, create and solve real life challenges through science and technology. This also inspire young minds to contribute in the dream of the Samriddh Bharat. ये सिर्फ एक मकसद नहीं है हमारा सेफ और क्लीन वॉशरूम प्रोवाइड करना, ये हमें सस्टेनेबिलिटी फैसिलिटीज़ भी प्रोवाइड करें. So चलिए together with the help of innovation and teamwork, we can transfer this idea like Subeda into the reality, building the foundation of Viksit Bharat till the 2047, where cleanliness, safety, progress go hand in hand. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.